This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trading, coming out at you live from Asia. This is our afternoon update, guys. Wow. Dogecoin breaking out exactly as we predicted, exactly as we talked about. We have New York City mayor. It's going to be one of the most Dogecoin friendly states, one of the most crypto friendly states on the whole continent of the USA, guys. It's coming to us right now. We got a whole bunch of things to talk about. We got Ethereum is on fire. Bitcoin is on fire. The altcoins are popping up, pop, like popcorn. It's coming to us everywhere. And it's a great time to be alive, guys. Absolutely a great time to be alive. We're going to talk about some huge news. We're also going to talk about a huge technical patent that's formed for Dogecoin that's going to see Dogecoin heading over $1 really soon. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. Let's jump into the content. Remember, before we do that, don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, YB right now. Do it now. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just for education only, entertainment right here, right now. I'm so alive. I can't believe it. The markets are going green everywhere, guys. Can you smell the money? I can smell it. So let's jump into content right now without further delay. Woo! Hey, there was recently a survey that was just done, and U.S. Consumer Survey was done and asked, have you invested in crypto? And the survey came out that 48% of all Americans have invested in crypto, guys. This is huge. This just goes to show that even, Joe Public, Joe, Nancy, Drew, you guys are loving the crypto, loving it. And, 19% said 100% or less loved the crypto. And 9% were invested $100 to $250. And 8% $250 to $500. 4% over $500. And 5% over $1,000. And everyone said that, they admitted that this is a long-term investment, but they believe that crypto is going up and it's going to be the catalyst that changes the world, guys. And that Bitcoin is going to be replaced, and crypto is going to be replaced, and it replace fiat, guys. So fiat is out, crypto's in, guys. This is a great time to be alive. Woo! Some of the news right now that's coming in is that the Bitcoin law critic. So you guys know that we had El Salvador. They've rolled out the Bitcoin as legal tender. So we had one critic in El Salvador who was like marching around and saying that they didn't like the new law. So apparently, you can see what happened. He's out of there. So guys, if you're in El Salvador, God bless you all. God bless each and every one of you. This is the first country. We have a country that has accepted Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency, as legal tender. And this is just the first domino that's about to fall. This could be the catalyst that takes the rest of Latin America to the cryptocurrency land, guys. This is not financial. This is totally huge. We could see the whole Latin America, South America as being the crypto haven of the world. And now we have this mayor in New York, a New York mayor candidate. He's going to be accepting Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and he wants to be the most friendly crypto state in the whole US of A, maybe in the whole world. We're going to jump into that story. Remember, you got to continue watching this video to the end if you want to get the huge news. And remember, we're going to talk about a huge patent that's formed for Dogecoin, and it's going to blow your mind, and it's absolutely going to tell us that we're going to get Dogecoin over $1, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. And you guys also know about this Doge NFT. It was sold for like $3.6 million, and it's going to get fractionalized, and it's going to be chopped up into about 17 billion parts, and each part is going to be sold for like $1 share. So that's coming out right now, and I think you can go to OpenSea.io and you can pick that up, guys. So that's really amazing news. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price before we jump into big news. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $49,634. So today it hit a high of $50,000, guys. So it got rejected, but we're going to try to retest that. Hopefully we can get $50,000. I can smell $50,000 coming. I can smell it. And you guys need to understand, once we hit past 51,000 and can confirm that for a 24-hour period, $60,000 is going to happen in a flash. Like, it's going to be, I'm going to go to sleep, wake up, it's like, wow, $60,000 incoming. So you guys know it, I know it, that $60,000 is going to happen just like that. It's going to be like in a heartbeat. So you could close your eyes, wink, and we got $60,000. So it's going to happen. It's happening. Bitcoin is breaking out. We will get over $50,000. I'm hoping by the time America wakes up, you guys in America can take it green machine all the way, guys. We need it to happen. You need it to happen. Let's make it happen. Woo! Woo! Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. It's at 74. The sentiment is on fire. Sentiment is bullish. Let's get it, guys. This is huge sentiment. And you know, as we get more greedy, more frothy, more foamy, this absolute bull run is starting. The next leg is about to explode, and we can see that in October, November, December, $100,000 Bitcoin coming in, $10,000 to $14,000 Ethereum, you know, 94 cents to $1.15 Dogecoin absolutely is coming in. Mark my words. We can see, we can see Solana hitting $350. We could see, you know, a $10 to $15 Cardano in the house. We could see a $100 Polkadot in the house. So guys, this is a great time to be alive. Hey, I got a helicopter flying over. So if you hear that, it's a helicopter, you know, running or hiding in the bushes. So yeah, here in Vietnam, it's a beautiful day. We're still in lockdown. I got the sea, I got the sun, I got the trees, and I got you out there. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe as always, and keep watching this video to the end. I love the energy. I'm feeling so positive right now. It's a great day to be alive. When you wake up, when you absolutely wake up and you turn on your portfolio and you see everything in green, green everywhere. It just makes everything taste better. It makes the food taste better. It makes the coffee taste better. Don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Woo! Let's take a look at the. Let's take a look right now at. The altcoin season. We're still in very much full-blown altcoin month right now. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance slowly coming down, guys, and that's really positive news. Bitcoin dominance right now is at 41.31%. I'm really hoping that we can take this downtown and we can get that under 40, guys. And look at the volumes. The volumes are pumping, guys. The volumes are pumping. We're at $90.68 billion in 24-hour period of volume, and this is really good. Once we start to print 100, 120, 150 billion dollars in volume, we're going to see all the cryptos pop off. Right now we're seeing that the altcoins are popping off in waves. So the first top 20 altcoins are starting to pop, and they're being led by the king daddy of them all. Ethereum is on fire. We're going to take a look at Ethereum chart. Also, the market cap is at 2.26 trillion. Hopefully we can get to 2.5 trillion by the weekend. I'm pretty confident of that. You should be confident of that. And look at the DeFi pulse. Let me just refresh the DeFi pulse. Woo! It's on fire, guys. So look at the DeFi pulse. It's at 96 billion. Only a couple days ago, go back and check my videos. We're at 81 billion. So we right now we have $96 billion locked in DeFi on Ethereum. Wow. And if you guys want to know more about Ethereum, go to DeFiPulse.com, and it will tell you everything you need to know about DeFi. Right now, the #1 DeFi project is Aave, Maker, Curve Finance. Wow. DeFi is on fire. NFT is on fire. And we're also seeing that with Ethereum right now, the gas fees are super high because so many people are buying and trading NFT. It's crazy. So we had DeFi summer. We have DeFi popping off. We have NFT popping off. And the next thing that's going to be popping off is tokenized game tokens. Guys, check out the game token space. Go to CoinMarketCap and check it out, guys. Woo, let's jump into Ethereum price right now. Wow, Ethereum right now is trading at 3,753, and Ethereum hit a high today of 3,913. We almost went up to $4,000. We got rejected, guys, but we're on the way up, guys. We are on the way up. Woo, Ethereum is on fire. Some people are taking a little bit of profit, but don't worry. We still got my huge trend line that takes us up to $4,200. We're still on track, on the way, guys. Don't worry about it. And I believe that this formation here, we're going to be forming a bull flag pretty soon. Here's the flagpole, and if we continue on this line, we could see a Ethereum breakout very soon and take us up to 4,000, guys. I really believe that $4,000 is incoming. I think that we're good. This is going to print a bull flag or a pennant formation soon, and this is going to see us going to $4,000. You know you want it. I want it. Let's take a look at Burn right now. The burn is at $165,946. Woo! And one thing I just want to bring your attention to, this is the chart for Bitcoin. I get my face out of there. I get it back in there. You guys can see right now, this is a Bitcoin monthly return since 2011 to 20. This is about 10 years. And you can see, just be aware, guys, that right now, September is often a very bearish month. So be prepared, buckle up. We could see 1 to 2 weeks of September explode, blast off. Then we could have a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of correction. And then in October and November, you're going to see the cryptos absolutely on fire, going to the moon, guys. You know you want it. I I want it. Let's do it, guys. We're on fire, guys. Woo! So let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Let me get my face out of there. You know, we had this ascending triangle. It was very bullish. We broke down, and now we're breaking back up. We're above $3, guys. So if you're holding Cardano now, we're above $3, and you know, we're getting pretty close to printing our all-time highs. You know, our all-time highs was recorded right back here, and this was at $3.02. So we're back in price discovery mode. We're reaching all-time highs again for Cardano. Where is Cardano going to stop? I mean, I think we have some overhead resistance around $3.40. Let's see if we can get there. I think we can get there. All the altcoins are popping off. You can see it pop, 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 just like popcorn in your eyes, and we're doing it right now. Woo! And let's take a look at Polkadot in the house. Polkadot, you know, yesterday, let me just adjust that chart for you. So Polkadot yesterday, we saw it printed an all-time high of $34.27, and we've come down a little bit from that. It's down about 2.95%. People took some profit. It's not the all-time high, but it's an all-time high in this leg up. I mean, the all-time high for Polkadot is about $49. $49,000, I'd be a billionaire right now. So right now we're seeing that Polkadot is down 2.92%. So don't worry. I think the people are just taking some profits, and definitely this is also going to pop off. So this is a good time to pick up some Polkadot. This is not financial advice, and you know, definitely Polkadot's going to be at least $80 to $100 by the end of this year. I believe it, and it's absolutely going to get there. Let's take a look at right now. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is really coming back. You know, it 2 days ago it went as high as $130. It cooled off a little bit, went as low as $102. Right now we're $112, and we're slowly inching our way up. But if you look at this pattern right now, this pattern is looking very good, very bullish, and you know, we could even say that we're almost printing another bull flag right here. So you know, if you look at this is also pretty much a bull flag formation. Everyone's just making these bull flags right now. Let me adjust that for. So here we have the flagpole. Here we have the flag itself, and this is a pretty bullish pattern. We should see ourselves breaking up the upside. Where do I see us going? Our next overhead resistance, as I've been telling you, is $140. I think we're going to get there. We're going to get there sooner than later. Woo! Here's the big news we've all been waiting for. Maryland, Canada pledges to make New York City the most cryptocurrency friendly city on the nation. And that means they're going to accept Dogecoin. They're going to accept Bitcoin. So some mayors in U.S. cities, large and small, have been pushing for the adoption of cryptocurrencies, otherwise taking position in favor of digital assets. So we've got this new candidate, Curtis Silva Barrett, wearing Republican, running to be the mayor of New York City. And he vows that, and he says, I will make New York City the most cryptocurrency friendly city in the nation. Property taxes, fines, fees will be payable in crypto. We'll also open more crypto ATMs and incentivize businesses to accept crypto. We want to modernize our economy and make it accessible to all. So this Silva guy, he is the mayor that we want, the mayor that we need, and he is absolutely going to be opening up and making New York the most cryptocurrency friendly state in the nation. Woo! And guys, I love it. You love it. And this is a huge, big breaking news, and just goes to show more and more people are adopting and adapting the cryptocurrency. And if this mayor, here, Curtis, he can do it. He can take it over the top. Woo, you got my vote, brother. Yeah! I talked about this article earlier. I'm not going to go into too much detail. But, you know, we're seeing that there's a huge bull flag forming on the weekly chart. And we also see that this three-year trend line has been broken. And that means that Dogecoin is definitely heading to $1. And this is not just a YouTuber saying it. This is not just, you know, hype and craziness. This is actually a huge analyst. And he's saying that Dogecoin to $1. And I believe it. And if you look at the chart online, you can see right here we had this first bull flag that happened in January. Remember, that's when Dogecoin took off and went to the moon, and that's when the Dogecoin printed all these millionaires suddenly. And now we're having this second bull flag that's printed. And you know, when we had this first bull flag here, we saw that this was a huge upside. And let's just measure that for you right now. So you can see when we had this huge bull flag here to here, we had printed, we had gone up almost 1,000%. So if we can do that again from where we are right now at 30 cents, which is around about here, here, you know, that's going to take us way up to $1, guys. So definitely, if history repeats itself, if this pattern confirms and we break out, definitely we are going to be breaking out, and definitely $1 is incoming, guys. Let's take a look at the Doge on the 1 hour chart, guys. Let me just refresh that for you. There we go. So right now we can see that Doge is absolutely as predicted on the 1 day, breaking out of that descending triangle. Right now, Doge is at 30 cents, guys. This is an absolutely great time to be alive. And I told you that we had this pattern at 27.89. We need to hold that. We held it. We blew past it on a 1 day, as I was talking about yesterday in my videos. And that is confirming that we're going up. And then our next resistance level right now is between 32 and 33 cents. I think we're definitely going to be breaking past that very shortly, very soon. So if you guys think if you guys believe that, smash the likes, subscribe, leave a comment. Remember, I'm working for you. I do this for you. And don't forget the super chats on the live streams. Support charity, support the OG. And if you love what we're doing, support us, guys. We love you. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the on-chain. Let's take a look at the 4 hour chart for Doge. And Doge, we're seeing something huge happening. And Doge right now is on fire. You know, our next target is like a 30.50, and we're on our way to do that right now. Again, we're at 30 cents, and this is a very bullish pattern. We love it. You love it. And remember, I did say that we're going to go up. Our next level of resistance is at 32.6 cents. We need to blow past that to see ourselves coming in at 35 cents. We could see 35 cents coming in if this continues, if this pattern continues. Don't beat me out if we collapse. Remember, I said September can be bearish, so we could have 1 or 2 weeks of a good green run, and then we could see things coming down, and then setting us up for our October, November explosion in the house. I love it. You love it. Woo! All right, guys, let's take a look at some unchained data for Doge right now. Let me just minty refresh that. Whew, it's getting hot here. Hot. So right now we can see that Doge is up 6.09%. 76% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money right now. So you guys should be pretty excited about that. 12% are breaking even and 12% out of money. And you know, our concentration of large holders is 62%, and our correlation with Bitcoin is 0.82. So this is really good. And let's take a look at our sentiment right now. Let me just refresh the sentiment. The sentiment. Woo! Let's go. Refresh. All right. Let's get it. So if you look at the sentiment right now, you can see that the social media sentiment right now in the last 10 hours has been going up. It's been going up. So because you know, a couple of days ago we saw the sentiment was really low, but now we're seeing that the sentiment is absolutely coming up, guys. So this is a really great time to be alive. And this is the number of mentions on social media, and also the mentions are also coming up. So we really need to get this high. So guys, go out there, get on your Twitter, and start you know, hashtagging Doge to the moon, Doge to $1. Doge spreading love, all the Doji hashtags you can think of. Let's get the sentiment up, because that's going to build more interest, and when we get more interest, we get more price hikes. Woo! Let's get it, guys. So let's take a look at the markets right now. Right now, you can see that the markets are on fire. Bitcoin is at $49,616. That's up 6%. And Ethereum is up 10%, $3,759. We're also on fire. ADA is over $3, and that's a 9.91%. Let's call it 10%. BNB was at 500 before. It's come down a little bit, and it's up 7.4%. And right now, Doge is up 10%, guys, and it's at 30 cents. And remember, the other day I told you these are the projects you wanted to jump into: DOT, Solana, Uni, Chainlink, Luna. I also talked about VET. VET is up 15%. Also talked about Matic. If you'd have jumped into those projects yesterday when I gave you that advice, you guys would be making bank now. So guys, this is a great time to be alive. And with that being said, I just want to say I love you guys. I love you guys to death. Let's head on over to my Twitter right now. Twitter. All right, we've now hit 2,000 followers. Thank you very much for making that happen. But remember, keep following me on Twitter. All my videos get posted on here, the links. So if you miss a notification, go right here, right now. Woo! Remember, smash the like, smash. Subscribe me. Let's do it. And remember, follow my links. You can find my links in all the bottom of all my videos description. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing my opinion. This is for educational purposes. Guys, go to Zen Music Addict. Help out the wife. This is a wife channel. She's got 309 subscribers. It's Chilly Willy music. If you need to find your soul, relax, this is the place to do it. Woo! And if you can't sleep, play these videos up. Zonk, you'll be out. And even my 4-year-old, he plays this, he's out. All right, guys, so do that. And go to the Patreon, support the channel, buy the channel a coffee. And guys, check out the merch. And before you do that, go to the NFT collection, OpenSea.io. Digital Agent can be found in the description. Check out the NFT space. The NFT space is blowing up, and take a look. If you're interested in any of the NFTs there, just follow the process, and happy to purchase. If you really want something, send me a message. I can get a discount for you. So woo! And let's take a look at the merch, guys. Wow, I love the merch. Remember, all the merchandise, all the membership. Become a member. Become a channel member. All the membership, all the super chats, all the coffees, all of this stuff goes to charity here in Vietnam to help the orphans and the homeless. And let's do it, guys. Let's do it. We got caps, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got all sorts of stuff, guys. So check out the merch. I love it. And check out the mug. And we also got the backpack and all this kind of stuff. So I just want to say to you guys, I love you guys to death. God bless each and everyone. Go with God, follow God, and just spread the good vibe. Please do it now. Woo! This is the OG. I'll see you in the next one. I'm working for you. I'm doing this for you. I love you guys. Woo!